So you open up Google Vids, you added your first clip, and then you see this thing down here. The timeline is like the basement of your video project. Mysterious, maybe a little intimidating, but it's where the magic actually happens. Today, I'm going to show you how to master the Google Vids timeline. And if you stick with me, I promise you'll avoid 90% of the editing frustrations that most beginners go through. First things first, the timeline in Google Vids is where you control what happens when. It's how you time everything like clips, images, voiceovers, background music, text transitions, the works. So let's break this down into 3 parts: show timing, visual tracks, and audio tracks. Let's begin with show timing. At the bottom of each scene, there's a button labeled Show Timing. When this is turned off, everything is simplified. Your graphics and clips sort of snap into place with no real sense of timing or layers. But when you toggle Show Timing on, boom, you enter editor mode. This is like popping the hood of your car and seeing what's actually going on. Then there's Show All Timing. This shows every layer of your scene, including overlapping items like animations, images, audio, and voiceover tracks. It's the full backstage pass. So remember, show timing is like having training wheels. Show all timing is when you're ready to build a bike ramp and impress your neighbors. Now let's move on to visual tracks. Once you turn on show timing, you'll see every visual element show up as a color block. Each object, text, images, video clips, they all get their own layer, just like Photoshop or Canva. Want your title card to appear 2 seconds in? Drag it. Want an image to appear for just half a second for a meme jump cut? You got it. Here's a pro tip. Layer order equals visual priority. If you want text on top of an image, make sure it's higher in the object order inside the scene panel. Finally, let's talk audio. Audio is the heartbeat of your video, and this is where Google Vids shines for beginners. You can trim the clip, fade in or out, and adjust the volume for every object. So if your voiceover is too quiet under a music track, you don't have to re-record it. Just bring that music volume down a notch. Every object has a little drop-down menu with audio controls. Don't skip it. It's your best friend. Now that you had a crash course in the timeline, tell me in the comments, what's one editing feature that you wish Google Vids had? So to recap, use show timing to start understanding how objects appear over time. Use show all timing when you want full control and audio layering. Drag, trim, and layer objects visually just like you would layer a sandwich, a delicious cinematic sandwich. Audio layers are your soundtrack. Use phase and volume control to guide the vibe. And that's your beginner's guide to the timeline in Google Vids. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more if you like listening to the sound of my voice, and drop a comment to tell me what to cover next.